Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I will show a very easy snack idea that you can make literally any place, anywhere if you only have a couple of ingredients, which is also very easy to find. And yeah, so let's get started. So for this you need couple of rice papers, peanut butter, and a banana. That's pretty much it. So at first have to boil some water. Pour the boiling water into a plate. Then soak the rice paper into the boiling water for a couple of seconds. Then take as much peanut butter you want. I went for 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and spread it onto the rice paper. Then peel the banana and also take as much as you want. I took 1/4 of the banana. And then wrap it well. Actually, that's pretty much it. It's very simple and very easy to make. After that, if you want to decorate it or want to top it with some chocolate glaze, you can just go for it. So for this, I just microwaved some coconut oil, and then I put 1 teaspoon of cacao powder. Depending on how much thickness you want, you can put as much cacao powder you want. After that, you can add any sweetener, for example agave, maple, or even coconut sugar. So here I went for agave. I took 1 tablespoon of agave and then mix it very well. Then drizzle it over the wrap. That's pretty much it. It's very chewy and it's kind of remind me of mochi. You should definitely try it at home. If you want to make a chocolate paste, then can add more cacao powder and some peanut butter as well. Also some sweetener if you want to make it much more sweet. Then mix it very well until you get a chocolate paste. You can also add any kind of fruits. I went for some raspberry, some chocolate spread, and some banana. And then again wrap it very well. It was also very good. It was kind of refreshing. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys will try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below if you like it or not. And thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.